Today, raw emotion in a Cuyahoga-County courtroom. The woman who randomly stabbed and killed 3-year-old Julian Wood outside a North Olmsted grocery store learned she will never see freedom again. Life in prison without parole for Bionca Ellis. Julian's heartbroken family spoke directly to his killer before she was led away. Natalie Clydesdale was there.
I hate you with every fiber of my being. Because of you, I live in constant fear. For months, I couldn't leave my home.
Powerful words from a North Olmsted mother directed at her son's killer, Bionca Ellis.
If I want my family to be whole, we have to go to the cemetery where all of my children could be together.
Ellis was convicted of randomly stabbing 3-year-old Julian Wood to death and seriously wounding his mother outside of a Giant Eagle last summer.
That monster took him from us. Now all of our hearts will forever be missing a piece.
During the trial, Ellis's attorneys argued she was in the midst of a psychotic episode and didn't understand her actions, claiming she was not guilty by reason of insanity.
Bionca Ellis guilty of all charges.
But earlier this month, a jury rejected that defense, finding Ellis guilty on all 9 counts. On Monday, she briefly addressed the court.
I just want to say I apologize. I'm really sorry for what happened.
Before Judge John Russo sentenced her to life in prison without the possibility of parole.
That while your mental illness was accepted by this jury, it is not an excuse for what you did.
Ellis's defense team says it still disagrees with the verdict.
Bianca demonstrated mental illness all the way up until that day. Somehow, just on that day, she's not mentally ill. And then, following, we had to have her restored.
The state says justice was served.
What we ensure is that punishment is dispensed and that it's dispensed fairly.
But both sides agree, in cases like this, there are no winners, as a local family continues to grieve their young child whose life was senselessly cut short.
And it haunts me every day. He was my baby boy, and the day he died, a part of me died with him.
While Ellis is appealing both her sentence and her conviction, she's been assigned a public defender. Now tonight at 5 o'clock, we'll hear from the lead detective in this case about the lasting impact it's had on the community. Lena.
All right, Natalie Clydesdale in Cleveland for us tonight. Thank you.